Ooh, what's up, my peoples, man? It's your boy Destroyer Motors. Today we got a little, it's just a short, low-key how-to video. It's a mod I just did to my car last night. The reason I ain't recorded last night is low-key because I had to look up how to install it. But I know how to do it now, and this video is pretty much to show y'all either A, how to install it, or B, to show y'all, you know, what I got added to the car. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to show y'all what I got added, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to install it. So I'm about to flip. Y'all ready? Yeah. This is hard. This is what I got installed, man. I did this last night. Oh my God. This is clean. I feel like this is a perfect added interior type thing. You know, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, by far this is my favorite mod I did. This is, don't get me wrong, it's the most frustrating to add, but it's also the coolest if you ask me. Like, this right here is hard. So actually I'm about to show y'all the app to change the colors and whatnot, because the thing I got it on is an app. So I'm about to do that right quick. So I'm about to show y'all the app right quick. So this is the app to change the color for it. So I go like a darker blue. Y'all know my interior. Ooh, I could do green. You know what I'm saying? Red or pink. This pink for real. Let me see. Yeah, red. My favorite low key is like this purplish pink. I don't know why riding with this just be hitting different for me. Like, this the best one to me so far. Like a darker purple, yellow, really any color, like a teal. You know what I'm gonna be using most of the time, that green. So yeah, this the app for it. So now I'm about to show y'all. Y'all seen the product. So now I'm about to show y'all like how to install it and whatnot. So how to install this, it's not hard. But like I told my boy when I showed him, it's not hard, but it will test your patience. Now, I almost gave up on this thing so many times yesterday. So I already got mine installed, so I'm not going to be like doing it, but I will show y'all how to do it, because when I did it, it was like, you know, I just threw myself in there. Like, I didn't really know what to do. So this the box to come in. I ordered it off Amazon. It's called like LED Care or LED Care. And then, no, I'm gonna flip the camera, but the whole phone. All right, so let me show y'all. This the first thing, right? This is gonna be y'all light, okay? This is gonna be the light. So with my slow self, I ain't gonna say slow because I didn't know, but at the same time, what I did, I put this where y'all seen the light at. But I was doing it, I'm like, this is too small. What you have to do is continue looking at the box and you get a thicker one, right? A one that's way more convenient. So what they want you to do is get this, which is the light, get your thick part, and you put it in here. Hold on. Technical. All right. Dang, I just had it. Let me see so y'all can see it. You see how I put it in there? And then you just keep forcing it up in there, right? And then I'm gonna just take it out so y'all got an example. So what you do with that, you start putting it in here. Like this part, this side right here is gonna be where the light is. This part right here, like the thin side, this is gonna be the part you put in wherever you want the light to go. So it's pretty simple. Let me flip the camera so I can show you an example. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I dropped it on the floor. It's pretty simple though, but what I did, at least, I started right here, as y'all, I don't know if y'all can see right there. That's where I started. I put it in here, let it go around here. Y'all hardest parts is gonna be the corners. The corners is gonna be the challenge for y'all. So look, for example, right? Let me light it up so y'all can see. This part, this part, that part. And oh my God, these two parts was the hardest. Like it took me probably like, I want to say 20 minutes almost to get these corner parts in. Like it was a challenge. So how it works is, so I showed y'all how to put it in, right? So y'all don't get confused on that. Like, it's honestly easy. Like, if y'all smart enough, I'm pretty sure y'all watching have common sense. You put, this is the light, turn it off, turn it on. It comes with all these cords, all these lights. So right now I have 2 of them connected, right? I have my one, which is, look, y'all see this connected? That's over here. And then I have my other one down here. Oh, no, it's not that one. I have this one that connects to this part, right? Actually, I might do the doors, too. If it could fit, I might do the doors. But, I'm gonna do that later. I'm just showing y'all how it look right now. So, these the parts that screw on to. It screws on. And it lights up the whole like LED line. It's another tool in here. This right here is somewhat helpful, but it's not what I thought you needed it for. So at least I didn't use it for what I thought I needed it for. I thought this was for like, you know, pushing it in so it could fit. No. This was, for me at least, it was for like, so you could kind of make space like between these things, so you can make space, like a little gap, so it could fit easier. That's what I use it for. Cause trying to put it in like that, or how you would expect it to, it don't work like that. At least for me, it didn't. So that's how you install that. So to briefly do it one more quick time. Damn, I dropped the thing. So like I said, this thin one is gonna be the light. That's what's gonna plug into these little light bulb things. That's what, like, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. Watch how the whole thing light up. Or the little line. Y'all see how it lighted up? Just based off just this light is gonna power the whole thing up. So that's what that's gonna do. But before you do that, you wanna put it, let me pick it up. You wanna put it inside of here. This is what's gonna go in the cracks of wherever you want your light at. So for example, right here, around that. You know what I'm saying? So, and the good thing about these lights, they universal. So they fit for all cars, not just the Charger. Like they fit for, I ain't gonna say all cars, cause I ain't gonna, some of y'all probably got an old car that it may not fit, but I'm gonna just say it fit for most cars. But like I said, y'all, this is my favorite mod by far. And I hope this video was helpful for whoever trying to install it. If it wasn't helpful, my bad, because I needed help myself to install it. But you low-key, I mean, I just wish I knew what I was doing. So I told y'all that this not the thing that goes in here. It goes in here, and this goes in here, okay? That's one thing y'all need to know. Second thing y'all need to know, if y'all buy the same one as me, to get the app, this is not the QR code. I tried for like 20 minutes to scan this and it would not scan until my slow self finally decided to open it. And this right here is going to be the scanning thing for the app, which I showed y'all. So this is going to be for your app. Y'all should know that. And like I said, this is going to test your patience. Cut the light off so it look a little better. This is going to test your patience. It's not hard, but it's like, it's just certain, the corners, man. If y'all going to have corners in your car, y'all trying to put it in, that's going to be the hard part. But once you put it like in a straight line, stuff like this is easy. Like, it's real smooth. Like, just keep going and going. So, like I said, this is just a quick little video. So, you know, for people trying to learn how to do it, this for y'all. For my people who already subscribed to me, this just show y'all what I got done to my interior. You know, just something short. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 in a way. But that's going to be a wrap for this video. Let me know if y'all think I should put the lights on the doors, which I'm probably going to do anyway. Even if y'all say no, probably going to do it anyway. But I still care about y'all opinion. So yeah, that's going to be a wrap for this video, y'all. So let me flip the camera. Yeah, it's going to be a wrap though. But I appreciate y'all for watching. And I hope this video was helpful for anybody who trying to install it. If it wasn't, just try to find it out. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up though. This is something quick, something I just want to post right quick to, you know, keep my videos going. We got some more stuff coming, man. We got probably next video, depending on what time or what day it gets here. We got another mod coming. We got some stuff coming. Just know that, y'all. It's gonna, everything fall into place. So, all right, just want to keep y'all updated and, you know, let y'all know what's going on. But all right, I'm about to end this video. I appreciate y'all for watching once again. One last look before. Ooh, I ain't seen it from that angle. It look nice from the passenger side. But I'm about to go ahead and wrap up the video though. So I appreciate y'all for watching again. All right, I'm gone.